Hello and welcome to this short video on the newest additions to the Super Knuckle modular grip system. The Kupo Super Knuckle is the foundation of a versatile modular grip system that allows precise positioning of two interchangeable adapters that fit in either side of the knuckle. There are many adapters available for a wide range of applications that are limited only by your imagination. The Super Knuckle consists of a double socket mini arm with a split shell design, with a central locking knob that when tightened locks two 26mm ball joints in place. The ball ends are machined with micro ridges to increase friction, so when locked in place, they solidly support 17.6 pounds. They come with a Kupo blue silicone sleeve that holds the unit together even when the central knob is loose. Our first new adapter is the Super Knuckle VESA Mount Kit. The VESA Mount Kit features a baby 5/8" receiver on one end, and a VESA mounting plate adapter attached to the ball joint on the other side of the knuckle. The VESA mount attaches to the industry standard hole configuration that you will find on the back of monitors. The Super Knuckle VESA mount plate features both a 3" 75mm and 4" 100mm hole configuration. It comes with 4 M4 screws to mount the plate to the back of the monitor. Let's pop this bad boy onto a C-stand using our Super Knuckle VESA mount kit. First, we'll bag our C-stand for safety. Next, we'll line up the VESA plate with the corresponding holes on the back of the monitor that are spaced 4 inches or 100mm apart. Next, we'll use our 2.5mm hex key to tighten the M4 screws until snug. Next, we'll mount the baby receiver from the Super Knuckle onto the baby pin of our C-stand and secure it in place with a knob. Lastly, we'll loosen the central knob counterclockwise. Position our monitor to our desired angle and tighten the knuckle's knob to lock it in place. The simple design of the Super Knuckle allows you to easily change from horizontal to a vertical configuration. Our next Super Knuckle accessory is a twist lock mounting plate with Super Knuckle baby receiver. This allows you to rig a Kino Flow with their 41K type twist lock mounting plate. Simply align the 4 pins in the Super Knuckle twist lock mounting plate with the corresponding holes on the plate on the back of the Kino Flow and twist clockwise until it clicks in place. Now we'll pop our baby receiver onto the baby pin of our C-stand and secure it in place. Next, we'll loosen the knob, move the fixture to your desired position, and lock the central knob and you are ready to shoot. Next, we'll check out the Super Knuckle with baby receiver and 1/4 male thread. Let's use it to mount a field recorder to the top pin of our C-stand. First, we'll screw the 1/4 thread into the back of our field recorder until snug. Then we'll pop the baby receiver onto the baby top pin of our C-stand. Loosen the central knob on the Super Knuckle. Position the recorder how you'd like it, then lock it in place with the central knob and you're ready to record some quality audio. Our last addition to the growing Super Knuckle family is a Super Knuckle with a Hex baby pin on one side and 1/4 male thread on the other. The Hex adapter is an anti-twist hexagonal stud designed for the Hex receiver that are standard in the Super Combi and the Supervisor family of clamps. Our C-stand is too tall to mount this field monitor where I'd like it, so let's rig it to the middle of the riser section using a Combi clamp. First, we'll screw the 1/4 side of the Super Knuckle into the back of the field monitor. Next, we'll mount the Super Clamp to the C-stand's main riser section and secure it in place by turning the handle clockwise. Next, we'll press and hold the silver safety button on the clamp, insert the Hex stud into the receiver, release the safety button, and tighten the knob until secure. Loosen the central knob on the Super Knuckle. Position the monitor how you'd like it. Then lock it in place with the central knob and you're ready to roll camera. These new additions give you a glimpse of how versatile the Super Knuckle system is. Check out the website as well as other videos to get a full picture of what it could do for you. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.